In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord server. First, make sure you're signed in to your Discord account. You can do this either on the desktop app, the mobile app, or in your browser. As long as you're logged in, the process will look very similar. Once you're in, you should see the main Discord screen with a column of icons on the left, which are the servers you're already in. To join a new server using an invite link, start by finding that link. This might be something a friend sent you, a link on a website, or one you found in a trusted community. Invite links usually look like a short web address that starts with Discord and may have a mix of letters and numbers at the end. Before you click any link, make sure it comes from a source you trust, just to stay safe online. When you have the invite link, simply click or tap it. If Discord is already installed on your device, it will usually open the app automatically and take you to a preview of the server. If it opens in your browser instead, you may be asked to log in first, and then you'll see that same server preview page. On this preview screen, you'll see the server name, its icon, and often a short description of what the server is about. Take a quick moment to confirm that this is actually the community you meant to join. When you're ready, look for the button that says something like Accept Invite or Join Server, and click or tap that. After a second or two, you'll be taken directly into the server. Now that you've joined, the server will appear in that left sidebar along with your other servers, so you can come back to it anytime. Inside the server, you'll see a list of text channels and possibly voice channels. Many servers have a Rules or Welcome channel at the top. It's a good idea to open that first and read through any guidelines or instructions, because some communities require you to react to a message or complete a quick step to unlock all the channels. From there, you can start exploring, say hello in the appropriate channel, and adjust your notification settings to match how active you want to be. And that's all there is to it. Get a valid invite link, open it, accept the invite, and you're in.